Hello everyone, my name is Sophie Farsai, and in this video we will go over how to use our portal. Now this portal is designed by Salesforce Hub on the Salesforce platform. When we go to login, this will be our login page. You are going to enter in your username and password, and when you do create a password for the first time, it'll also prompt you to create security questions, so that way if you were to forget your password, you can reset it by answering a security question. So this is what your home page is going to look like. So here is going to be where you can either post updates, pictures, anything you would like. So if we want to post a message, we're going to type in our message here. And then down here you also have basic formatting options such as bold, italicize, underline. So if I click on them and then start to type, that is going to also do those basic formatting options. Now we can also add topics. So your topics will be set by your administrator, but here we have the topics that are being offered here. In order to select a topic, all you have to do is go to this little add topic box, start typing in the first 3 letters of whichever topic you would like, click on it, and then that'll be tagged as a topic now. So if I click share, that'll then be posted in the feed. So if we scroll down here, we can see that I have posted here. And as well, you can also like, comment, and share the post. So we'll talk about share a little bit later. But this is just like your Facebook or social media notifications when it comes to liking or commenting on somebody else's post. It's very simple like social media. And we will come back to the share. Now, if I want to post an image, what I'm going to do is come back up here to the post, click this little image icon right here, and I'm going to go to an image that I already had pre-selected here. If I don't have one pre-selected, you can just go to upload an image and it'll prompt you to upload one from your device. But I'm going to click right here, click insert, and then we have the image right here. Again, I can add a topic on my image as well. So let's say I wanted to add a topic of work experience. I just go start to type in work experience, and then I can add that as well. If you wanted to, let's say, screenshot something like a copy paste, that can also be done as well, just using your usual copy paste commands. So if we click share, the image is now going to be uploaded down here. So let's say that I also wanted to tag somebody in a post. If I come here, all I have to do is type an @, start typing the letters of whichever name I want to tag somebody in, click, and then it'll tag them. With the tag as well, they will also receive an email notification. If you do not tag them, they will then have to go into the portal and scroll down to look at the message. But with tagging them, they do receive the email notification, so that way they don't have to go back and find the post. You can as well click this little guy on the end right here, and that is going to mention people's or groups as well. And again, start typing whatever you want to type, whichever group or person you want to mention. Click, and once I share the post, it will tag them to receive an email notification. Now, if we want to edit a post after we have already posted it, we're going to click this little right arrow here, and it's going to give us some things that we can do. So if I click edit, I can edit the message. So I can type in whatever I would like to type if I forgot to do so to begin with. You can also edit topics. So let's say I forgot to add the topic that I wanted to add in, but I already posted it. I can edit the topics after the fact. So I'm going to go and type in whichever topic I wanted to add, or you can remove topics as well if you had added one and you don't want it in there anymore. Click the little X and it will be removed. But if you do want to add in a topic after the fact, all you have to do is click it right there, Click Save, and that topic will be added. I can as well delete a post after I've already added it by just clicking delete right here, and it will be deleted. With this little icon down here, you can also bookmark a post. So if I bookmark it, I'm going to get this little green star right here and a notification letting me know that bookmark was added. That way I can go back and find it easier to begin with any post that I want to bookmark or keep for the future. Now we're going to go back to the share right here. So again, we have like, comment, just like you would on any Facebook or social media post. But sharing, if I want to click share, and let's say I want to share this on another post, I'm going to click copy link. It's going to give me this bar right here. I'll click copy, and then I can go down to another post and paste it like you normally would. Comment, and then this link right here will link us back to that post. Share links in post. So let's go to post right here, share an update. I'm going to paste this link again, but I am going to highlight it and go down to here where it says link, paste the URL in for what I'm looking for. One more time. And then I'm going to change the title of it. So let's say I want it to say photo. I'm going to type photo in here, click save, and it'll make it so that it's just one word to click that profile link. So I will share it, click right here, and it's going to take me to that photo or profile link of whatever you had. Just clicking on the word rather than the entire URL. To look for a topic-specific post, we are going to go under Topics right here, click whatever category we would like. So I'm going to go into Volunteer, go into the Filter options, click All Updates, and then we will have all of the posts that have this tag of volunteer within the topic. This works for every topic as well. So if we choose another one, let's say college life experience, again, we'll need to go to the filter button, all updates, and then we will get all the posts as well that are related to that. If we go back to our home screen here, next I'm going to show you the polls. So we click poll right here, and we can do a poll for whatever question we would like. So let's do, what type of pet do you have? So we're going to type in our question. And we have the choices down here to click for answers. So we can type in however many answers we want. If we want to add a new choice as well, that way we can type in multiple things. And we're going to click Ask. And then we have our poll right here. So we can click whichever option we would like to vote on. Click Vote. And then you can see the results of it. And if you wanted to keep it updated as well, if you click refresh, it will keep you updated in real time with the results. Now you can also change your vote. Let's say I wanted to change my option. I click vote again, and it changes my option. And again, refresh means I can keep up-to-date results. Post we make is published to the entire group within your portal. However, if you want to make a subgroup that is private, click on groups right here, and that way you can create a group with a specific number of people that is again private. So if we click on new group, it's going to give us a name that we want to type in. We can add a description. Whoever creates the group as well will be the group owner. And then from there, it'll show the access type. So I'm going to make it private. Click Save and Next. You can upload an image for the group photo if you would like. Click Next again. And then you can search people to add for members. So I'm going to add them as a member here. Click Done. And then this will go to our group. So again, anything that you post, poll or a regular post or an image, it is the same as it is on the home page. You still get all of your format options down here, all the same links and app buttons. You can still add a topic as well, but it's going to be privatized, only published to this group. On the right here, you can also see the description of the group if I were to write anything, who the owner of the group is, and you can manage members. So if I wanted to find a member, I'm going to type in right here and I can find them as a member, or I can add more members from here as well. So that way if I wanted to add more, click more, and now they are a member. You can see membership requests, and you can see the members as well. Now the only people who have access to add members are going to be the admin. Everybody else is going to be a standard member. And there is going to be one admin per group, usually whoever creates this, but you can edit the membership and make them a manager as well. That way, if you wanted somebody else to do that, you can as well. Back to our main group page. You will also see the group has its own private email right here. And at any time, we can also edit our group information. So if we go up here and click Edit Group, we can add in a description and any other information that we want as well. Click Save, and that'll be updated automatically. You can also send email notifications for these groups. If we right-click by this middle mail icon here, we can be notified for every post, daily, weekly, or limited, which is usually once a month. That way you will then receive email notifications when it comes to group messages. You can go into manage notifications as well, and this will give you the same access to manage these email notifications. At any time, you can also delete the group if you no longer need it by just clicking Delete Group. And then the group will be permanently deleted. Back to our home page here. Again, every post that we do is going to be shared with everyone. But if we want to private message one or multiple individuals, we are going to go to Messages here. Type in New. Search whatever people we want to send the message to. Type in our subject and then our message. Again, we have the same features to add an image and basic formatting options as well. We click Send, and then we see that our message was sent successfully. Now we can also add multiple people to messages at any time. So if we go into Add People, let's say I wanted to add in somebody else. I click Add, and they are added into the message as well. You can also remove people from messages at any time by just clicking Remove if you feel they no longer need to be within that message. and you can remove one or multiple people. Again, these messages are private, so they will not be posted to everybody. They will only be sent to the people that you choose to send the messages to. Now, everyone also has a profile that is able to be customized however you would like. So if we scroll down here, you'll see that the profile is set up right here. So it would have their title, their email, address, a little bit about me information, company name, phone number, etc. From here, I can also choose for individuals to follow them or message them as well. Now, if I go to my profile here, it's going to upload my own. So it'll show me my own email address, my own phone number, any about me information. I can also go to edit. That way I can edit my information as any time. I can also scroll down and I can type as many characters as I would like in the about me information. Click save, and then that'll be updated. I can also update my image at any time as well. So if I go to upload image, I can click whatever I would like to add an image into there. Can drag and place it, click save, and that image will be uploaded. And again, you are able to change that image at any time if you do want to upload it. We also have the search bar up here so that we can search for specific topics. So let's say I want to type in the year 2020, click enter. Everything is going to populate related to 2020. So we have a post that is related to 2020 with the word in there. And if there are any groups related to 2020, that will show in my results as well. If I search a specific name, let's say, we will have it populated that everybody who has that specific name is going to be there as well, or any comment or post that had that name, Ashley, will pop up as well. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. We can also see the people that match the search that we typed in. Now going back to our home page, if you want to see all recent photos and posts, you're also going to click the filter right here and make sure that all updates is checked. That way you can see all updates at any time. Now on the right here, your organization or school is going to post anything specific that they want you to be aware of. So right here we can see that internships and fellowships has a specific post. So if we click in view, our organization wanted to post this so that others can see it. So this will lead us to an article or any links that the organization has wanted us to see. If we go back here, we can also see that there are two other things they wanted us to see. Click view again, scroll down, and again it'll give us the article that they wanted us to look at as well with the links. Now back to our homepage, everybody has what's called a reputation score that gives us points. So the more you comment, the more you share, the more you post, the higher that your score will be. So you can see right here I have 201 points in the leaderboard of scoring in relation to how often I have posted. After we are done with the portal, in order to log out, you're just going to click your name and icon right here, click log out, and then you are logged out of the program. That ends our tour. Thank you so much for watching.